Today we are going to see IGCSE paper 58021 May June 2024 paper 2 extended. Okay, first question. The diagram shows two sides of a parallelogram ABCD. Find the coordinates of the point D. So for a parallelogram, two pairs of parallel sides, I think. Okay, two pairs parallel sides will be equal and opposite sides are equal length. Opposite sides of equal length. With this in condition, we will draw. Okay, so opposite sides same thing. How much coordinates we have to move? Same, 1. Okay, 1 coordinate, 2, 3, 4. Here otherwise we will go with the length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, with this we will take, I think it goes to -3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 6. I may be wrong in counting. Okay, this is the condition. I think the coordinate sits on -3, not -6. Sorry, it's -6. No, one more counting here I have to go through. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Okay, this side, and then 6, 7 here it will come. Finally at -3, 7. Yeah, when we measure it will be in the same size here and here. Okay, this is the point. So the coordinates are -3, 7. Okay, Geeta has a box of toys. She picks the toy at random from the box. The probability that she picks a wooden toy is 0.6. What is the probability that she doesn't pick a wooden toy? So probability is 1. Okay, total is 1. So 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4 for not picking up the wooden toy. Next question, B question. The box contains 3 types of toys. Okay, wooden, plastic and metal. The ratios have been given, so we have to find out the remaining answers. Okay, so the total is 0.6. Here remaining will be in the probability part. I am saying it is 1 minus 0.6, so it is 0.4. So 0.4 divided equally, it's 0.2 each. Okay, so this may be 0.2, this is also 0.2. So number of toys we have to find out. For this condition, how will we find out the number of toys? For 14, I will go with the probability point. Okay, 0.6 is having ratio. We don't know how much we have to get the number of wooden toys. For 0.2 probability, it is 14 toys. So cross multiplying each, I think here I will do it. Okay, 0.6 into 14 divided by 0.2. Answer is around 42. So the number of toys she is having in wooden is 42. Okay, next question. Number 3. The table shows the information about two sequences. Sequence A is 60 minus 4n and find the fifth term. First one I will complete. So for fifth term, n is equal to 5. So 60 minus, I am making it for sequence A. Okay, 60 minus 4 into 5. So it is 60 minus 20. It is 40. Okay, here first answer is 40. The sequence B is n square minus 300. So we have to find the fifth term. So sequence B, n is 5 square minus 300. It will be 5 square is 25 minus 300 is 275. Here the answer is 275. Okay, with this we complete the table. The second question we are going, find the smallest positive number in the sequence B. They are asking for B. So n square minus 300 is less than or equal to 0. We will equate. So n squared is less than or equal to 300, or n is equal to square root of 300. Approximately it is 17.3. Okay, so any number if n is less than 17, all the below values will be negative answers. So okay, I will rub this calculation part alone. Okay, we will do the n number which is a positive answer. Next number I am applying for n 18. So your answer sequence is 18 square minus 300. So it is 24. It's a positive answer. Okay. Okay, next one. Find the greatest odd number that is a factor of 140 and 210. So I am going with the tree table. Okay. So for 140 we are splitting it up. It is 7 and 20. Okay, again I am splitting it up. It is 2 and 10. Again 5 and 2. Okay, for 210 I am doing 210. When you are splitting up, it is 7 and 30. Again 3 and 10. Okay, again 5 and 2. So I will write the answers in the part alone. This one, this thing, this here, 7 3 5 2. Okay, I'll write here for 140 it is 7 into 2 into 5 into 2. Whatever I go through I have written here. For 210 it is 7 3 5 2. Okay, so the odd numbers I am picking out from this. Okay, the odd numbers I am picking as 7 for both, and here it is 5. They are asking us the greatest odd number. So 7 into 5, it is 35. Okay, next question I am moving through fifth one. You do it in the calculator directly. You can get the answer for root 343 minus root 40.6. So with the calculator using, we will get the answers of around, I think root 3 cube root 3 is 7 minus 6.4. So it is 0.6. Okay, the second question is 192 plus 4 into 16 whole power 1.25. With the calculator I am moving through. Direct answer is 0.1034.009. So I am rounding it to 1034. Okay, next question. Sixth question I am moving through. The diagram shows 5 kites that are congruent to kite A, B, C, D. This part alone. Okay, each kite is joined to the next kite along the edge part alone. Here the angle DAB is 40 and the DCE is a straight line. Here find the value of x. Okay, so how will you find out? In a congruent triangle they are saying they are congruent. Here they are mentioning. So to find the congruent, if congruent, for definition of congruent, all three sides are equal and the corresponding angles will be this way. We have to calculate. Okay, so this is totally 180. Okay, so 180. Okay, minus or 180. So how many parts? 1 2 3 4 5 6 parts. So divided by 6, it is approximately 30 degrees. Okay, each one is 30 degrees. Now we are going through the final answers of the question. X we are finding out. To find out x, total angle is 360 minus this part is 40 minus this 30 degree. So your angle is around 290. We have to divide it by 2 to get the equal answer. It is 145 degrees. Okay, next question. Seventh question. Here the diagram shows a shape made of a triangle JKL. Okay, JKL. It's a triangle and a semicircle with a diameter of J and L is 12.8. JKL is an isosceles triangle with JK is equal to JL. Yeah, both are given is 12.8. Okay, calculate the area of the shape. How to find the area of the shape? We will divide it into two parts. Here I am making it 1, this one as 2. Okay, area of semicircle. How will you make it? Area of semicircle formula is pi r square divided by 2. So pi into r square is 12.8 square divided by 2. So your answer will be, sorry, I am making it a diameter. It's not diameter answer. Okay, I will correct it. It's pi into 6.4 the whole square divided by 2. So your answer will be 64.33 centimeter square. One part. The second area of the triangle. Okay, half into base into height. So half into base is, I am taking 12.8 into height is also 12 point vertical height. So answer is 81.92. So now we are making two answers. Okay, 1 minute. This is one, this is second area, so both we have to place. Okay, I will make it here. 64.33 plus 81.92, so totally 146.25 centimeter square is the answer. Okay, so total answer is here. I am written for the area. This is total area. Now calculate the perimeter of the shape. So for finding the perimeter of this shape, here semicircle I am doing. Perimeter of semicircle, how will you do? It is, okay, perimeter of semicircle. Okay, its formula is pi r plus 2r. So it is pi into 6.4 plus 2 into 6.4. So the answer is 32.90 centimeters. Okay, this is one answer. Again, this is an isosceles triangle, this down part. So for isosceles triangle, we have to calculate this distance. Okay, so calculating the distance, how will you use? This is angle 90 degrees. So automatically for isosceles triangle, this is 45 degrees. So I am drawing it separately to find the angle. This is 90. This is 45 degrees. This is 12.8. This is also 12.8. So sine 45 equal to opposite by hypotenuse. What is your answer? Opposite is 12.8 by hypotenuse we have to calculate. So it is coming around 18.10 centimeters. This part 10 centimeters. Okay, from this we have to calculate the remaining answers. Okay, total perimeter is equal to, we are walking around the shape, so this 12.8 will be there. Okay, this side we have calculated the perimeter for the semicircle. It is 32.90 plus this side we are using, it is 18.10. We are coming back to the starting point. So your answer is around 51.0 or 51.12 approximately centimeters. So this is the total perimeter part. Okay, next question. There are first 5 terms in a sequence 11, 18, 25, 32. So find an expression for the nth term of the sequence. It is getting increased each time by plus 7. If we calculate, it is increased by plus 7. So by using, it is linear equation. So linear sequence formula is, okay, linear sequence formula is dn plus b. This is a constant integer, anything to get the value. Okay, this d is the difference and n is the number we are getting out of it. Okay, so for your question, or otherwise we will use this formula for the constant sequence. Okay, our regular formula we will use, don't need to confuse. Here an is equal to n, okay, dn plus b. Okay, same formula we will use it if it want. So a difference is 7, n is n as usual, that a integer we to get the first number. 7 is there, if you put n as 1, we have to get 11. So plus 4. If n is 1, okay, plus 4 we are making, first number is 11. So our formula is 7n plus 4. Okay, is equal to an. This is the equation. The value, next question, the value of a car is $8,000. Each year it gets decreased exponentially by 25%. Calculate the value of the car after 3 years. So how will you calculate the value? Our formula is value is equal to P into 1 minus R by 100, okay, whole power the time it takes. So P is the total value, principal value, it is 8000, okay. 1 minus R is the value, R is the percentage here, it's 25 divided by 100 whole power the time taken, 3 years. After calculating, it is coming around $3375 for 3 years. Okay, after 3 years the car value is $3375. 10th one, the Amir invests $1,500 in an account. The account pays compound interest at a rate of R% per year. At the end of 8 years, his investment value is 1656.73. Find the value of R. So what is the formula we will use? Compound interest they are saying. So P into 1 plus R by N whole power T. Here the amount, final amount they have said it is 1656.73. Principal amount invested is 1500. So 1 plus R is the thing you have to calculate, okay, by 100. Okay, the whole percentage time taken is 8 years. With this in calculation, here we will divide, come this way. So 1656, here also we will divide by 1500, here by 1500. So this is around 1.10448677 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 whole power 8. Okay. Now taking this cube root here. So next step, here you will take 1 by 8 here into 1 by 8. So this will cancel. So taking the cube root, 8th root of 1.10448667 is around 1.10, no sorry, 1.01, okay, 1.0125000625. This is the answer for this one. Again substituting in the equation, okay, I'll move here, I'll erase this part alone. Okay, erase this part alone. Again I'm doing it, you get the answer. So R is equal to 100, okay, into 1 minus 1.012560065. Okay, so answer is 1.25. This is the rate of interest for this one. Okay, next question. The 11th question, find the inequalities that define the unshaded region. Okay, for this graph, we will go for the unshaded region. This is the unshaded region part. So here it starts from defining a straight line here. Okay, so it is x is 6. Okay, x is 6, we require this region. So anything less than 6, we will have the unshaded region part. So x will be less than 6 because below the 6 is the unshaded region part. One value, and then next thing, here I will draw a straight line. Okay, so drawing a straight line, this part, here it is x is equal to 1, this part alone. Okay, next it finishes at here, y is equal to 5. So y starting at y is starting at 1 and it goes to the shaded region at top value, y is equal to 5. Okay, this is the part of this region. So y is equal to either it is less than x. Okay, so how will we write the boundaries? For one thing, x is equal to, x is less than 6. One minute, I'll write it clearly. One is x is less than 6 to get the shaded region, and for boundaries on y part, y is less than x. So starting from 1 less than or equal to, because it is a dotted line or the straight line, less than or equal to 5. Okay, Please write it clearly. Okay, next question, 12th one. Solve the simultaneous equation. Okay, we are going through. It is 3x by 2 plus 5y equal to 5 and 4x minus 3y equal to 46. Here we will take this one. Plus and minus are there, so it is easy to cancel and get the answer. Okay, I am multiplying the first equation by 3 and second equation by 5. Okay, first equation by 3, when you are multiplying, it is 3x by 2 into 3 plus 15y equal to 15. Here by second equation by 5, it is 20x minus 15y equal to 230. Directly both will get cancelled. So here the answer is 24.5x. Here it is 245. So x is equal to 245 divided by 24.5. It is 10. Okay, x is 10. So substitute any of the equations. Substitute in any equation. I substitute in the second part to get easily. 4 into 10. Directly I am substituting. Okay, 4 into 10 minus 3y equal to 46. Okay, 40. So minus 3y equal to 46 minus 40 equal to 6. Here it is minus 3y. So y is equal to 6 divided by minus 3 equal to minus 2. Okay. Oh, I am moving this side. So it is positive. Sorry, I made a mistake. Okay. So y is plus 2 when moving apart. So x is equal to 10. Y is equal to 2. 13th question, I am moving through diagram of a cyclic quadrilateral. So for cyclic quadrilateral, how will we move through? For a quadrilateral, opposite sides equal to 180 degrees. So opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. So for first thing, P degree plus 4m plus 38 degrees equal to 1 minute. I'll write it clearly. I'll write here. Okay, P degree plus 4m plus 38 degree equal to 180. One equation, and then these two opposite angles. It is 4m plus 5m equal to 180. So 9m equal to 180. So m is equal to 180 divided by 9 equal to 20. Okay, m is equal to 20. So substituting in the previous part, first equation, P degree plus 4 into 20 plus 38 equal to 180. Okay, so how much you will get? I think P degree plus this is 118 equal to 180. So P is equal to 180 minus 118. It is 62 degrees. So answer is 62 degrees. M is 20. Next question, 14th question. You have to find the area of the shaded region, this part alone. Okay. So for that we have to calculate the inner angle. Okay. So how will you find the inner angle? This part. This angle we have to calculate. So total angle for a circle is 360 degrees. So 360 minus 48 equal to how much we will get? Around 312 degrees. This is 312 degrees. So area formula is for the shaded region. Area is theta by 360 into pi r square. So it is 312. We calculated the angle. 360 into pi into r they have given. It is 9 square. So your answer is 220.539 or 220.5. Okay, centimeter square. 15th question. Okay, this part, it is 0.146 as a fraction in simplest form. You must also show the working. Okay, so this number, if it is having a dot like this, it will repeat as, how will we repeat? 464646. Okay, this will be repeated like this. So multiplying it by 10. Okay, I will multiply it by 10. First equation. Multiplying by 10. This side 10x equal to 1. This is x is equal to, right? 10x equal to 1.464646. Okay, if it is by 100, next thing 100x equal to, it will become 14 point, repeat the same numbers, 646464. Okay, if it is by 1000, I think these numbers after decimal should come as same, but here it is not same, so we will go for 1000. Okay, then the answer will be 146.464646. Okay, so yeah, this third equation and the first equation, see the numbers after the decimal is same, so that it is easy for us to subtract and get the answers. Okay, I will erase this part and we will continue. So then the first and third equations I am writing. 1000x equal to 146.4646. Here for 10x I am writing, we are subtracting, it is 1.4646. Okay, to easy it, this is 0, so this part is 145. Here it is 990x. Okay, so x is equal to 990, sorry, x is equal to 145 divided by 990, which is equal to 29 divided by 198. So answer is 29 divided by 198. Okay, can we move to the next question? 16th question. Here they are asking in the Venn diagram, shade the region m complement and n complement, but its intersection part. So m complement is other than m and n complement is other than n. So I think other than m is outer side, we will go through. So this line it will cover. Okay, for n complement outer side we have to shade out. So I am moving and shading, not the inner part. Please be careful, don't go inner, only the outer region we have to shade. This one. It is, otherwise we can say as m union n complement. This is also the same thing. Okay. Next question, can we move? Okay, it is B intersection A complement union C. So A complement is other than A. Okay, so other than A we have to shade. So other than A I will write it for this one, A complement union C. Okay, other than A, but it is C parts we have to write. Other than A, this one will not come. Other than that, it is 20 outside, 9, okay, 4, 3, 29, 4, 3, then 10 and 18, because 10 is here, this side, okay, not in this part. So this it will come. Then for B intersection, okay, B intersection A complement union C, for this thing, which is common part, we will say, which are all common for B in the previous answer, which is common. So 3 is common, 4 is common, and 10 is common. So 3, 4, 10. Okay, this will be the common answers. But they are asking one more thing. It is B intersection A complement union C. So it is 3 plus 4 plus 10. So it is 17. Okay, next question. 17th question, area of the triangle they are asking. So though here two sides have been given and one angle is given. So we will use the formula half AB sine x. Okay, A and B, this is A, this is B. So angle is given, so formula is applied. So half into 6.7 into 5.9 into sine 81 degrees. So your answer is, directly by doing the calculator, it is 9.522, not 582, 522. So I make it as 19.5. Okay, this is the distance. Okay, next one, calculate a rectangle as 19.5 centimeter square. Next one, 18th question. Here is the graph is being given. The diagram shows y is equal to x cube plus 4x square minus 2 for minus 3 to 1.5. Yeah, by drawing a suitable straight line to solve the equation yx cube plus 4x square minus 2u equal to 2x. So this equation and these are the same thing. Therefore, we can write it y is equal to 2x directly. Okay, these two are same, so I am replacing y is equal to 2x directly. Then 4, I will substitute some values and we will see how it is coming. I will substitute from positive, x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 4. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. If x 0, y is also 0. Minus 1, y is equal to minus 2. And x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 4. We will plot these points on the graph. Okay, for x0, y is also 0. I'll plot in different color. This is 0, 1 point. Okay, x1, y2. X is 1, y is 2. Here, then x is 2. Here we cannot go, but it is 4. Okay, we will leave it here. It will go beyond that. Now x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 2 here. Then x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 4. It goes beyond this. So when drawing a straight line passing through these points, okay, it cuts. Wherever it cuts, we will take the answers. Okay, intersection answers they are asking. So where it cuts the straight line, please get zoom values and draw a straight line here. X, it is cutting the graph at, please be clear, 1.5, 0.85. Okay, 0.85 it is cutting. I am not drawing clearly. It is 0.85. Okay, approximately it is 0.85. Okay, here it is cutting at minus 0.5. Okay, these are the answers for this one. Next question, 19th question, factorize 12m square minus 75t square. So 12 and 75 common factor may be 3. I am taking it out. So remaining is 4m square. Here 75 is 25 times t square. So now we will split this one as 2 into 2. Here it is 5 into 5. So on factorization 3 we will make it as common. Here it will become 2m plus 5t and 2m minus 5t, because minus is in between. Okay, so this is the answer for question B. Part of the question, xy plus 15 plus 3y plus 5x. So first two parts, what is common? I will replace it my way. Okay, how will you get xy and 15x? I write this way, xy plus 5x plus 3y plus 15 to my convenience. So I am taking x out, it is y plus 5, and here these two things I am taking 3 as common, so y plus 5. So it is x plus 3, these two, and y plus 5. Okay, so answer is x plus 3 and y plus 5. Next part of the question we are moving through. Okay, solve the equation 8 sin x plus 6 equal to 1, 0 to 360 degrees. Okay, so 8 sin x plus 6 equal to 1. I am moving the 6 to other side. So 8 sin x equal to 1 minus 6. So it is minus 5 this side. Now keeping sin x here, it is minus 5 by 8 and x is equal to sin inverse minus 5 by 8, it is minus 38.682. Okay, x is minus 88.682, but we are asked for 0 to 360 degrees. So sin, okay, 180 minus theta is sin theta, and sin theta plus 360 degrees equal to sin theta. With these two I am applying. So sin 180, okay, sorry, not sin, only the values I am taking for the graph. So it is 180 minus of minus 38.682 is 218.68. Another thing, second x is, this is for this x is 360, okay, plus of minus 38.682, you will get the 21.31. so both the answers are 218.68 and 321.31. Next question, 21st question. The diagram shows a cuboid. HD is 4, E and H is 6.5, EF is 9.1. Okay, now calculate the angle between C and E. Okay, and the base CDHG. This is the base part, CDHG. Okay, this part it is saying, and the angle is here in between. I will make with a different color. This line, okay, and this part. In between angle they are asking, okay, in between angle they are asking. So how to find this angle? I am making it as theta, but we will calculate what is the angle for this part. Okay, I am taking this triangle separately at the bottom. So for triangle this one I am drawing it, we will make the answer. This triangle height, I will take triangle, this one H, C and E. Okay, HC and E, this is 6.5, this is also same 9.1. I am making it here. Okay, this is 9.1 and we will make the remaining answer. Okay, no, I make wrong. HC is HC we will calculate in between this distance. Okay, we will calculate this part. I draw it wrongly. I draw the angle part wrongly. Please erase it off. This thing I cannot do, so I'll make it clear one more time with a different color. This angle and this one they are asking. Okay, from HC to the top, this angle they are asking. This is E, this is H, this part they are asking. Okay, I made a wrong conclusion here, so they are asking this one. Okay, so how to calculate? EC is how much? HD is 4 centimeter they are given. EDC is 9.1 centimeter. So HC is equal to root of 4 square plus 9.1 square, which is equal to 9.94032 centimeters. Okay, so HC is 9.940. Okay, we are calculating the base and then we are moving here. This angle is 90 degrees, so we are calculating this one. Okay, theta, this theta we are calculating. How will you calculate? So we are using these two are there, so tan theta we can use. This is opposite and adjacent are given. Okay, so 6.5 by 9.940, opposite and adjacent are given. So this is the answer, and theta equal to tan inverse of 6.5 by 9.94 which is equal to 33.2 degrees. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Last question, bag A and bag B each contain red and blue counters only. Stephen picks a counter at random from bag A and Jen picks a counter at random from bag B. The probability that Stephen picks a red is 0.4. The probability that Stephen and Jen both pick the counter red is 0.25. Find the probability that Stephen and Jen both clicks the blue counter. Now also they are asking the joint venture part in the second thing. So finding the probability, I will write bag A. Okay, so the probability is 0.4 for red. So automatically blue will be 1 minus 0.4 is 0.6. So this is 0.6. So to pick the blue one. Similarly for bag B, he is picking red and blue. If he picks red as x, we will keep it, and here we will keep it as 1 minus x. Okay, so how will we go through the equation? First part is 0.4 for Stephen. So 0.4, these two things we will keep into condition, 0.4 and x, both because to get the red value. 0.4 plus x, sorry, 0.4 plus x, no, 0.4, it's probability. 0.4 into x equal to 0.25. So x is equal to 0.25 divided by 0.4, it is 0.625. Okay, so now for the blue encounter we are making, how will we do? We will take these two conditions. So 0.6 into 1 minus x equal to, what is the ratio we are getting through? Calculate, we calculated substitute these things. 0.3, 1 minus x we have calculated 0.625. So your answer will be 0.225. So probability to pick both the blue counter is 0.225. With this the question ends. Thank you.